How to disable automatically adjust of microphone volume on Zoom. When you talk on Zoom, maybe you do not like how your app adjusts the microphone volume. For most of us, this is okay, but if you think that Zoom doesn't do a good job on this part, you can disable automatically adjust of microphone. Zoom has an option for this. To do this, just open Zoom. You need to have an account on Zoom to set up these settings. So log in with your account on Zoom like I have here. Now click on the settings button. If you do not see this button, click on the profile icon and from the menu select settings. From the left, select audio. You will see an option here. Automatically adjust the microphone volume. Uncheck that box. You can also select the volume of your microphone. One piece of advice I could give you: do not put the volume of your microphone to the maximum value. This will probably make your sound be bad. Use a microphone that has a volume around 80%. But this really depends on how near is the microphone from your mouth. If you have it near your mouth, maybe you need to lower it even more, not to have a very bad sound. Try to test it and check how does it hear. Now you can close the settings. You have disabled the automatic volume adjust for the microphone. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. You can also watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.